Okay, we are out at Martin Park Nature Center, and Mimi hid a bunch of dinosaurs over here. It is August 17th, 2021, and we're dinosaur hunting. We have dinosaur hats. It's awesome. Mimi's so fun. We love our Mimi. Oop. How many do you have, Izzy? Two? How many do you have, Bonnie? One? Keep looking. How many does Maverick have? Three? Oh, you have four. You're done. How many do you have, Titan?
0, because I just threw mine.
You just threw it over there so he could get 4? Oh my gosh. All right. You're so silly. Okay. Oh my goodness, Bonnie, good job. You got 4. Yay!
Titan over here.
All right, Mimi's giving them all clues. Mimi.
Don't get it. All I need is a green one.
All right.
You'll have to find them all because I don't know where they are.
Oh no, I got them. I see one more.
All right, thank you for watching.
Bonnie needs one more.
Toodaloo.
Oh no, we